Hey guys, Zach here. Yeah, I finally got my hands on the Logitech G915. I actually got the linear switch version, but previously I came from a very clicky keyboard, which is the K70. That's why I wanted to try, to have a not so noisy kind of clicking sound when I type on it. So yeah, so here is the box. Okay, I haven't really opened it. I just received it. Here's the back of the board. It feels very heavy, the whole box, I would say. I actually got the linear one. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so here, pardon my video skills. We are still trying to get a new stand. Just give me a moment. Okay, sorry about the video just now. Yeah, here you go. Here's the Logitech G915. Alright, so here's the box inside. Okay, so let's take it off. This. Right. Here is the keyboard itself. Right. So let me just take out the keyboard first. Put it right here. Okay, so for the accessories wise, they standard they'll give you this wire cable, okay, for you to charge your your keyboard. Okay, but for now just leave it as it is. And here of course is the dongle itself. So you will need to actually plug this into your PC so that it acts as a receiver. Alright, and then of course if you want, okay, you can also plug it into here. Okay, so if you want to charge your your keyboard, right, then you just take out the the receiver and then just charge it. All right, so here's another accessories box. I believe this is the manual. Yep, this is the manual. It comes with a sticker, and some instruction guides, I believe. Right, here is the instruction guides, which no, I guess most of us don't use it. Yeah. All right, I will put the accessories box away. All right, so let's take a look at the keyboard itself. Here you are. This is the keyboards that I have been looking forward to. This is definitely, you see, it's definitely less noisier than the one that I have now, the K70 from Corsair. I would say first impression, it's very sturdy. All right, and then yeah, and it's very nice to type on and all that. All right, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I got it at a good price. I got it at $268 Sing dollars from Q10 after all the vouchers. Alright, so just to give you guys a quick gauge on how much you can get this keyboard for. I believe when during the September 9 sales, the 99 sales, I was thinking about getting it, but it was around 290 plus that time. So yeah, so guys, this is just a benchmark for you. For the back, I haven't really removed the plastic yet. It's a new stuff. Yeah, just doing a video to show you guys. So we have of course the keyboard stand as well from these two portion. The whole thing just feel very sturdy. It has a kind of weight to it as well. And yeah, I'm going to give it a try and do a more thorough review for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you. Zach here. Peace out.